Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Pai and I'm currently studying BTech in Computer Science and Engineering at NIT Calicut. I joined Brilliant Pala's Crash Course program in February of this year and I can confidently say that it helped me a lot in preparing for the JEE exam. The crash course provided us with all the perfect materials like recorded classes, mock exams, question banks, etc. that were needed to revise the syllabus in a short time. The recorded classes were chapter-wise and they were very detailed and informative. We also had live doubt clearing sessions where we could join, ask the teachers any doubts that we had and get them cleared immediately. We were also provided with crash course books that had a lot of practice questions as well as online question banks in our student portals. There were regular homeworks and exams conducted, and all this was done in a very organized manner because we were divided into classrooms with great teachers whom we could ask for help at any time. For me, what I found most useful were the JEE mock exams that were conducted regularly, sometimes even daily as the JEE exams neared, as they helped us practice our time management skills as well as our solving strategies in a JEE-like environment. After these exams, rank lists were also published, which allowed us to see where we stood and how we could develop better. So all in all, the crash course was a very helpful program and I definitely recommend it to anyone who's looking to crack JEE. For me, it was always a goal of mine to get into an NIT, and so I'm thankful to Brilliant's crash course for helping me make that happen. Wishing everyone all the best and thank you.